Hello everyone, today I will show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to your Gmail and then to schedule an email, what you want to do is you want to first write your email, click compose, and then click on write the recipient. I will just send it to my own Gmail account. I think I missed the add icon, and then I can just say test email, and then click on. And if you want to schedule this email, if you don't want to send it yet, you want to click on the three dot at the top right. Click on schedule send, and then let's say I want to send it at a specific day, let's say May the 14th, and then when I click save, it will make sure to send the email on that day. So if you go to the schedule tab, you will see that your email has been scheduled. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.